Hello, I'm Terry Hester, and I hired ILB to do some work on my room here, the bedroom. And I think they did an excellent job. Got the flooring is put down well. They put glue under it so it won't come back up, slip around. Carpet in my closet matches well. Put the trim down between the floor and the carpet at the door, and they painted it. Painting was real good. I don't see any flaws in it. Looks good. I think that you would be well pleased with them if you hired them to do the work. They're not real expensive. I think they were real fair and honest with me. So if you need some work done, they're the ones to call. Thank you. And they even help move your furniture back if you don't have too much.
Thanks, Terry.
So thank you. Yeah, you're welcome.